Welcome to Light Tutorials. If you are using Lightroom on a small screen like a laptop, it is tempting to make the font size larger through the Edit menu, Preferences, and then the Interface tab. On a larger screen with a greater resolution, this can work very well, but on a small screen, the workspace is awkward and some of the buttons and options get lost outside of the display. When we go back to Preferences, to make the font size smaller again, we may find the Restart and OK buttons have disappeared outside of our screen. What you cannot see is that the OK button is selected just outside of the display. So if you press the Enter or Return key on your keyboard, the Preferences window will close and now you can exit Lightroom manually. When you reopen Lightroom again, the font size and workspace should have returned to a more workable layout. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.